how to add website on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS. So, okay, you'll have to do is tap the menu on the lower right side on your screen. Here in menu, tap the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility. Here in audience and visibility, you can see here the profile details. Okay, you can tap this and scroll down and go to contact info section. Here in contact info section, you can see here the add website. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the add website and you can see the add website button here. So, okay, to add, you'll have to just tap the add website. And now you can enter the website address here. Okay, you can enter the website. So, for my example, I enter my YouTube channel website here. And after that, tap the done button. And after that, go back and tap the save change button to successfully save the website on your Facebook profile. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add website on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.